G'day friends, welcome to MERMAY 2020 Day 4.
G'day friends.
Steve's back. Do that again. Do it for real, try and mock me.
G'day friends.
He goes hi.
Yeah, you go hi.
It's hard. I noticed that about some people too in their videos when their intros become so learnt that it just becomes really fake. And I've actually heard it's the outro that really gets me. I always really try to make sure I'm just being very like, bye. Even that goes up.
Oh, but sometimes people are like, bye.
Yeah, sometimes it's like a full inflection, like a bit of a growl
Right.
goes on. Like, yeah, some people, I think if you've been in long enough, you start to even forget how to greet properly.
I know, it's a weird thing, isn't it?
Well, yeah, and I've kind of settled on it at this point.
G'day friends.
What should I just turn it, g'day friends?
That sounds just like you couldn't be happier to be here.
It's because I always make sure I'm smiling when I say it.
G'day, friends.
It sounds different when you smile. Can you hear a difference?
Yeah, anybody can hear a difference. You can hear a difference on people on the phone. It's like, are you having fun? Yeah. You know, I
Yeah,
mean, like,
but if you smile, you can hear the... that's our question for today then, I guess. Can you hear when I'm smiling?
No.
I'm letting Steve ask the question today, but if you want to pop a question in the comments below, I'd love to pick one from there for tomorrow. So Don't be shy. Ask away, as personal as you can get. Just go. I'm not going to promise we'll answer it, but I would love to see what you come up with. So don't be shy about putting your questions below.
Are you drawing another one of your mer babies with the scales that go the wrong way?
Yes. We were talking about yesterday. That I did not care that you think the scales go the wrong way.
It's just so weird to me. I still can't get over it. But
that's okay. You'll live.
Yeah.
All right. What's the question?
The question is, if you had to change your name, what would your new name be?
Boy or a girl?
I mean, what's in a name?
What's in a name? A rose by another name?
What smell is sweet?
I couldn't tell you, but...
that's Romeo and Juliet. Clock the reference. No,
wow.
No, I think it's
a
like...
scholar.
No, like if you... A gentleman and a scholar. If you had to change your name, what would you change it to?
Luke.
That's not really changing your name.
Oh, I can't have it be any of the names I have?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I guess if that's the name that you like, but it's already part of your name. But then again, I can't really talk because...
I love the name Philip. I'd probably change my name to Philip.
Philip?
Philippe for French.
I mean,
Philip.
I guess I kind of changed my name.
Yeah. What would you change yours to?
I don't know.
See, I also like the name Matt, but your brother's name's Matt. So you couldn't be a Matt.
I like the name. I've always liked the name Michael. Always.
Could you have siblings named the same thing? Is that allowed?
Well, some people, like, they give their kids the exact same name. There's somebody recently who I was like, wait, the kids have the same name? They're like, yeah, they gave the kids the same name. The only thing that's different is their middle name.
Yeah, I'm wondering about that now. I've never heard of it before.
That's so
not
weird.
Like, not Matt 1 and Matt 2. What if they were both just called Matt?
Right, that's what I'm saying. There's a family that I read.
Weird.
Like, the only thing that's different is their middle name.
I've never even considered that
That's
before.
so crazy. No,
What would you change it if you were a girl? What would your girl name be? If you got to choose. Because my mum said she would call me Bronwyn, which I wouldn't have chosen for myself.
Oh, I would definitely be like Sophia.
Oh.
Or Bianca.
Probably Bianca.
I just love, like, any of those names. Old classic Italian names, something that has a lot of, like, weight to it, and diva.
I love the name my mum was going to give my brother if he was a girl.
What was that?
Madeline.
That's a cute name.
My gran used to lie and say her middle name was Madeline. It was not at all. It was Faye.
But Faye's a pretty
Putting her out on blast. Rest in peace.
I like the name Faye. I think Faye's
I
a pretty
thought
name.
it suited her. Her name was Marilyn. So what a diva name.
Marilyn Faye.
Marilyn Faye.
That's like a movie star name.
I know,
That's
and
so
she
good.
kept telling everyone, it's Madeline. I was like, do you know what Marilyn Madeline? You sound stupid.
I don't know, I'm Samuel Steven.
Yeah, Steve's a liar. His real name isn't Steve. Remember that time I almost brought it up and you were so upset? What makes you bring it out today? You just feel like clearing your conscience, Steve?
No, here's a little story behind my name is that my name was always supposed to be Steven, but my dad's name is Samuel. And so it's a weird thing, but traditionally, so that's my first name is Samuel, but I've never been called Samuel ever before in my life.
I used to think we were getting someone else's mail, or his dad's mail to our house.
Right, and the thing is I actually don't identify. Do you identify with the name James?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I identify with the name Steven.
Yeah, I couldn't call you Samuel.
But like Samuel or Sammy, that's just not me.
Oh, no way. Never.
That's not my name.
Not in a million years.
Anyway.
Thanks for joining us, everyone, for MERMAY Day 4. Don't forget to download the MERMAY. There's also a MERMAY tutorial that'll be uploaded to my blog later today. Pop your question down below for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get to answering it. Goodbye.
Bye.
May the 4th be with you.
Dun, 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 dun.